Hello everyone, hope you're having a wonderful day. This is a 10-foot trailer that we are thinking about selling. I put the wood top on it. It's 10 feet long. It's almost 6 feet wide. It's 5 inches short of 6 feet wide. It's about 5.5 feet. Here you can see how good it turned out. It has 7x15 trailer wheels on it with a 4-inch Dexter drop axle. I don't know how many times I'm going to say that in the video, but painted the wheels. As you can see here again, it does say Dexter. A little oxidation on that one. Plenty of tread left. Plenty of tread. So when you're doing your trailer inspections and go-overs, you're always going to want to turn your wheel. See how it turns. Do you hear any grinding? If you're hearing grinding, it's probably a bearing. This one does not grind. See if it's true. It spins good. No grinding. Still spinning around just fine. Must have good bearings in it. If it didn't have good bearings in it, it wouldn't be spinning. Spin it the other way. This axle does appear to have brakes on it. This is a single axle, 82 inches wide. We measured it. It's coming up in the video. Painted it, even painted that 4-inch drop axle. Wow, that drop axle looks great. Plane flying over. But yeah, here's the other side. This is a trailer to really be, proud of if you have a landscaping company, or even if you just want to move equipment around. Got a little primer on that tire. I can scrape that off. I didn't do that. I like to tape off when I paint. It's just the sun reflecting on it, but all the paint looks real good on it. It's all brand new. It was all primered. It's all the Rust-Oleum black gloss primer on it. I want to say it's about $35 to $40, somewhere around there for a gallon of the Rust-Oleum outdoor glass black. I believe it's an enamel paint. Smells terrible. I mean, when you use it. So, if you want to, go grab one of those Rust-Oleum black gloss enamel outdoor paints and check it out. But might not be feeling too well after you use it, but probably feeling okay. But here it is completed. Really something to be proud of, owning a trailer like this. Looks great. The top is all brand new. All the bolts are brand new, zinc coated, of course, outdoor. You can still see the original purple that was put onto these 2x6s when they were brand new. So this top is pretty much brand new. I put it on end of last year. There's 36 bolts that go through. There's 12 on each row. There's 3 rows of them. So yeah, if you're interested in it, contact us through Facebook or let us know. Or contact us through YouTube, leave a comment. But the quickest way to contact us would be through our Facebook business page, which is Cleveland Custom Carpentry and Fabrication. Thank you for watching. we got a tape measure on it. The outside of the hub is measuring 82 inches from where it bolts in. If that's not the correct place to measure it, please correct me. Please let me know down in the comments, because I surely do not know everything about axles, hubs, and trailers, but I like doing the videos, so I figured I'll do the video of it. Here you can see this part only needed to be painted on the outside of it. So when you research into steel, if you know a lot about steel, you go ahead and let it go. Thank you. Then you'll know that steel can last outside for many years. The only reason to paint it is to help protect the steel. But here you can see one of my bars for tightening, long bars. Just wanted to show what the trailer looks like as it's being, well, it's finished right now, but as it was being finished. I really like all the grain in the wood. This is a real wood top. It's 2x6s. You can see it's still got the manufacturer's name. These are all brand new, and I'll show that. But this is what it looks like. The top of it was water sealed. It's brand new. This is 10 feet long, about 5.5. And here's where we painted the drum. Here you can see it says Dexter on it. Here's where we painted the leaf spring mounts, where it's actually welded onto the trailer. There and there. I ground this weld down and I looked at it, and it was a good solid weld. After that, it was primered with an outdoor primer and painted with a professional outdoor gloss paint. It is gloss black Rust-Oleum paint. Been using Rust-Oleum for years. It's a great paint. Just wanted to show this real quick. Got a lot of things going on today, but I like doing the videos and actually showing what I'm working on. I have a 3-ton jack. I jacked this up with. My main jack, it's a steel jack, and I put this on jack stands. I also had the jack underneath it because this rear axle, a 4-inch drop axle, was painted also. You see it's got some rust underneath it, but from what we can see of it, it's all solid. You can see the leaf spring hanger on this side. Didn't want to paint the leaf springs, but you can see how good the axle looks on it. You can look and see what an axle like this would cost. This has all been painted here, the framing. See how straight we got those boards on. Here's this side. All the bearings in the axles were checked just by spin test, and they all look good. I think this is called a hub that's spinning, that the wheel and tire attach onto. It's a Dexter. They're both Dexter hubs. You can see here they put Dexter on the end cap of their hub. Let me know if that's not the correct terminology. But as you can see here, these are both Dexters. I had this one cleaned up with a wire wheel, but a few days later, looks like it's already starting to get a little bit of oxidation. Dexter, they take a lot of pride in what they build. This is a D here in a triangle. that Dexter was using at the time. I don't know if they still use that Dexter. It's a 4-inch drop axle. I measured it. You can see it's just got one leaf spring. Complete assembly on each side. So let me know, you know, what a drop axle like this might be worth. I believe it's 80. Let me look into it again. I'm going to measure it again, but that's it. There's 36 bolts total that hold the top of this on. There's 12 bolts for each section. Each one is drilled through steel. So each one of these goes through steel into the framing of the trailer. And here you can see the condition of the trailer. It's been refurbished. The top is new. You can see that the wood still has the original edging on it that the manufacturer put, which is purple. Want to show every part of it? This is where the front goes up and down to attach onto a vehicle, whether it be an SUV, car, truck, or whatever you're running. Say running, whatever you're using to tow with. It turns easily. I can even turn it with just 2 fingers, or 1 finger I can turn it. Turns easily. There's 3 bolts. This is a standard one. There's 3 bolts that bolt through. They're all intact. That goes down through the steel framing, through this. And this works good too. This has been checked several times. We've towed it. It works fantastic. It does come down. It's got a place if you want to lock it. Would recommend locking it. There's where it goes in. Here's where you can set. I'm not sure if there was a battery here or something else, but that's strong enough. It'll hold my weight. Also, the framing, I want to say it's 4-inch. I can remeasure. Ask in the comments or contact me on our Facebook business page, and I can measure it, but I do believe it is a 4-inch. I don't have, you know, I didn't pre-write it and pre-script everything I was going to say, but I've just got to get this done, so. Let us know. And here's the other one. The jack is still under it, and the jack stands. Have it lifted way up high off of the ground. Just wanted to show you that this one also has good bearings in it. So I'm just using a power saw next door somewhere. See if it's true. It is. I already towed this trailer at 65 miles an hour. Tow's great, looks great. When you're doing your inspections, always pay attention to your leaf spring hangers. Always pay attention to the welds that are around these leaf spring hangers. You can see this one looks really good. Painted it. The wheels look great. They are steel wheels. They're both holding air. Spin it the other way. And this is coming up in another video, but we did get the doghouse. That's a window I built and installed on the side. We did get the doghouse painted and finished. We got the roof on there finally. So check out the other video coming up where I'll talk more about the doghouse build. But I really like the blue. Thought about going purple because my dog is a girl, but she's been wearing a blue collar. There's another plane. Wanted it to come out looking like a log cabin. Kind of like a cabin in the woods. You know, maybe not a log, but I mean, it is all real wood siding. The window does open on the side of it. And this is a large doghouse. I mean, they haven't measured the roof yet, but it's probably 4 feet across. It's got a little mud on it, but I like it. I think it turned out great. Well, thank you for tuning in. Did cut the grass today. The old doghouse, still got that one. So yeah, I got out the Craftsman mower, got the grass cut. Let me know how y'all are doing. You know, shout out to my friend. He went rafting today. I couldn't go rafting. I had to finish up the trailer here on a Saturday. I wanted to get the video shot and get it put up. So yeah, not sure if I'm going to list this on eBay or where I'm going to list it at, but I may end up listing it up on eBay. Okay. Thank you.